In the first part of this video, you are going to learn the theory behind habit stacking as explained by S.G. Scott in his book Habit Stacking. The second part of this video is going to be all about examples. So if you're on the lookout for some examples of good habits that are going to help you improve your career, health, finances, or general well-being, watch till the end. Hi, it's Marina. Welcome to my channel where I talk about productivity and productivity systems, reading and note-taking strategies, and different ways how you can achieve your goals. If you're new, consider subscribing. I learned first about habit stacking from James Clear and his book Atomic Habits. However, this term was introduced few years earlier by Steve Scott in his book Habit Stacking: 127 Small Changes to Improve Your Health, Wealth, and Happiness. What is habit stacking? So you basically take an already existing habit, something that you do on a regular basis without a fail, like you drink coffee in the morning, you brush your teeth, you take showers, you commute, etc. And you attach a new habit that you would like to introduce to that already existing habit. So what Steve Scott suggests is that you create a routine that will eventually have about 30 minutes and you fill it with these small positive habits. Each of the habits that you include should be easy to do and it should not take you more than 5 minutes, preferably much less. And you create a logical routine around it. So for example, your main habit, the one that you will attach the other habits to, is going to be waking up. It's something that you do every day without a fail, right? So your first habit that you attach to this is that once you wake up, you immediately get up and you make your bed. It's something that definitely takes you less than 5 minutes. It's easy to do and it's going to improve your life. And you do this for several days, maybe a week, until it feels like you don't have to even think about it and you just automatically do it. And once you are at this stage, you introduce a second habit. For example, you meditate for 3 minutes. And again, you do it for several days. And once you feel comfortable, you introduce another habit and then another, until you have 30 minutes full of small habits. So for example, what you can also introduce is you drink a bottle of water, you prepare healthy breakfast, you read a chapter of a book, you take daily vitamins, you do some 5-minute stretching routine, you identify your most important tasks of the day, you review your goals, etc. And then once you establish this 30-minute long daily routine, you can do something similar for a weekly and monthly routine. Even if that includes just doing a weekly review and scheduling your upcoming week, and the same for a month. And I actually have a video of the way how I do my weekly review, so if you're interested, check it out. We live busy lives and it's sometimes very easy to push those small activities and small habits to the next day or next week and eventually don't do them at all. Even on this channel, I talk a lot about how we should focus on those big tasks that are really moving the needle, but kind of batching small activities, small habits into just 30 days and doing them on daily basis might be something that's really going to move the needle for you. So give it a try. And now let's take a look at some examples because 30 minutes is not long, but if you think about it, you might have anywhere between 6 and 30 habits there if those are very quick ones. So you might actually struggle with thinking about, okay, what should I include? So I have here a list of some suggestions. I think the best way to approach it is to think about your long-term goal or goals and what you need to do in that area, or to think about the different areas in which you would like to see some improvement. Stevie Scott actually suggests working with the following 7 categories: career, finances, health, organizing, passions, relationships, and spirituality. When it comes to career, here are some of my favorite habits. Review your goals, schedule your day, identify your MITs, your most important tasks of your day, declutter your desk, update your accountability partner, identify one task to delegate or outsource, read an article from your area of expertise. Within finances, you can track your expenses, review your budget or financial situation, pack a meal, snack or coffee, prepare a food shopping list, plan your daily errands. For health, you can weigh yourself, measure your heart rate by lying down, take daily vitamins, eat veggies, drink water, complete a short 5-minute workout, stretch, meditate, practice good posture. For organizing, make your bed, clean one room, put away 3 items, prepare what you're going to wear, file paperwork. For passions, learn something new, read a book chapter, learn a new word, draw, do a puzzle, watch an inspirational video, take care of your plants at home, try something new, do something that makes you happy, or learn a language, for example, with apps like Drops or Duolingo. For relationships, hug someone, give a compliment, text an encouraging message, leave a caring note, check your social schedule, learn a new joke, share something inspiring, do something that you know your significant other will appreciate. For spirituality, practice gratitude, mindfulness, deep breathing, squeeze a stress ball. You can do shower meditation, speak words of affirmation, or journal, for example, with the Daily Stoic or the 5-minute journal. I hope this was helpful. Share with us down below in the comments section what are your favorite small habits that you do on a regular basis that are moving you towards your goal. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you in the next one.